Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from M1 Finance to your bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the M1 Finance app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the Portfolio tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Portfolio to view your investments. In your portfolio, find the Cash section. Select the Cash option to see your available funds. Make sure you have enough cash available for withdrawal. Once confirmed, look for the Withdraw button on the screen. Tap on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to select the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired withdrawal amount carefully. Next, choose the bank account you want to transfer the funds to. If you have not linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so. Follow the prompts to link your bank account, if necessary. After selecting your bank account, review the withdrawal details. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Tap on the Confirm or Submit button to finalize your withdrawal. You may receive a confirmation notification on the app. Keep an eye on your bank account for the deposit. The funds typically take a few business days to appear in your account. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn from M1 Finance to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.